Money Tech is proudly brought to you by Red Pillar.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your favorite money show, Money Talk. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about your tips to financial glow up. Again, I remain your host, Flora, and I'm going to be bedazzling you with all the tips you need to make sure your finances are not ashy. Yeah, so let's get into it. If you know you've not liked our videos, shared our videos, or subscribed to our YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Stop because you just might get that one advice that would take your finances from 0 to 100. Now, let's get into it. What are our tips for financial glow up? Our first tip is this: think rich, act rich. I mean, how can you be a big man if your mindset is not giving big man energy? How can you be a boss lady if your mindset is not giving boss lady energy? Those two things, they do not relate. So if you know you want your finances and you want to glow up financially, please think rich and also act rich. Stop manifesting, I'm broke, I'm this, I'm always broke. Don't let your friends, I'm sure you know you're one of those people that your friends are always saying, don't mind that girl, she's always broke. You need to change it. Even when you don't have, you tell them, I'm rich, but I just can't afford what you want me to get now. So, I've given you one tip. Stick with it, ladies and gentlemen. Stop manifesting poverty, start manifesting riches, and you just might have what you bargained for. Now, number 2 on our tips for financial glow up. You need to know where your money is going. You need to know. You can't just be getting that salary every end of the month or getting that paycheck and you don't know where it's going. 1 minute your finances are in, the next minute is gone. Your money cannot be viewed once now. What are you saying? You need to make that stuff last. I have a formula for making sure that your finances last. I call it the 50-30-20 rule. And this is don't worry. We're not going into mathematics. Don't say, Flora has come again. It is just 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for savings. Now, I'll break it down. Your needs, you have rent, you have bills you have to pay, you have transportation. Those are your needs. So you have to budget, know what you're going to get for the month. Please just make sure you have them underlined and just put them according to their priorities. Write the amount. You already know how much you're spending on transportation. You already know how much your NEPA bill is. And if you're on that personal prepaid meter, do not use more than your limit. Set a limit for yourself. These are the ways money just goes. So you have to, outline them. What you're going to use your money to do. Budget 50% of your salary for that. 30% for your wants. I cannot emphasize this enough. Your wants are trips, outings, all those, foreign exchange and all those baller energy, body things you want to get. My dear, do not waste your expenses on all these things. Budget, dress according to your amount, dress according to your paycheck. Do not go and buy a Gucci designer bag when your salary is 20k. Now it's not a course now. Or are your village people after you? Do not do that, except if it's a gift though. Gifts are allowed. Even me, I love gifts. Who doesn't? Follow this 50-30-20 rule and you just might be on your way to financial glow up. 20% for your savings. We can't even emphasize savings enough. And when I mean savings, I don't mean that thrift that your WhatsApp buddy is doing. No, please don't join them because you might just be on the way to theft and scam. Do not do that. Don't be crying, they carried my money away. I tried to save. Flora, you said we should save, but I did a trip and then they took my money. Save in any fintech, on any fintech app you can find on Play Store. Register though. Make sure they are registered. Save your money. Be in charge of your money. Be in control and know where your money is. That's number 2 step. Now, we're going into step number 3. This is my personal favorite. invest like a baddie or invest like a boss. Investment is key. We cannot overemphasize investment. Investment is how you know that your money is working for you. For those of our ballers and our baddies who are into crypto trade, stock market, and shares, please buy as much as you can. Don't you want to sleep and in the next 1 year your money has like had some kind of interest? I mean, no interest is too small. Is it not better than just putting it somewhere and it's just there doing nothing? Invest your money. Grow that savings. Grow your money. Invest. There are a lot of investments you can do. There are government bonds, there are treasury bills, crypto. Please. You guys, you know these things. And if you don't know it, you can comment below. Say, Flora, I need tips on how to invest my money. And I'll give you some articles or send you some link or some. Don't worry. I got you. I got you. I got you. Now, our last tip. The soft life formula, building lasting wealth. Don't you want your money to grow? Don't you want to build a legacy for yourself and for your children? Come on, invest. I've said this before, but now I have to say it again because how will you learn? At the end of the day, we're not just talking about a temporary glow up. We're talking about a long-term thing. So please make sure your money works for you. And if you are one of those unemployed people, please start looking for stuff to do. Do a business or you apply for jobs. There are online jobs, remote, you know, when I start ranting, the energy is already getting to me, and now I have to call the producer, please turn on the AC because this topic is giving me a lot of heat. Guys, I can't overemphasize this. Know where your money is going. Think rich, act rich, invest, and build your wealth for long-term purposes. This is all we have for you today. I mean, we can talk about this and we can go ahead and say everything, but you know how we do it here on Money Talk. We talk little and we act more. Let that be your motto this following week. Let that be your motto continuing the whole year. This 2025, we are building our riches and we are growing up financially. I remain your host, Flora, and that is all for today on Money Talks. Bye-bye.